Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a tax exemption with the IRS, full guide step by step clearly. To register for a tax exemption with the IRS, you must first determine if your organization qualifies. Visit the IRS website to review the requirements for tax exempt status. Ensure that your organization meets the necessary conditions for exemptions under the Internal Revenue Code. Gather all required documentation, including your organization's formation documents, bylaws, and financial statements. Choose the appropriate IRS form based on your organization type. For most organizations, Form 1023 is used for 501(c)(3) status. Alternatively, smaller entities may use Form 1023 Easy, a streamlined application. Complete the selected form thoroughly. Include all requested information regarding your organization's structure, purpose, and activities. Be ready to explain how your organization operates in line with its tax-exempt purpose. Calculate and prepare your user fee, as there's a cost associated with filing the application. Once your form is complete, review it carefully for accuracy and completeness. Submit the form along with your payment to the address specified in the instructions. After submitting, you will receive an application confirmation from the IRS. Be prepared for a possible follow-up from the IRS for additional information or clarification. Respond promptly to any inquiries to avoid delays in processing your exemption request. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a determination letter from the IRS. Keep this letter on file, as it serves as proof of your tax-exempt status. Ensure to keep accurate records and comply with all IRS regulations to maintain your exemption. Monitor any changes in tax law that may affect your organization's exempt status. Regularly review your activities to confirm they align with your exempt purposes. Staying compliant will help ensure your organization continues to benefit from tax exemption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.